Hi friends, in my last video I spoke about side hustles or passive income streams for working professionals. Why do we leave the housewives behind or why do we leave the stay-at-home moms behind? I'm sure a lot of stay-at-home moms or housewives also want to generate passive income streams or generate income equivalent to their household income for themselves, for their own financial stability and for the family's financial needs as well. So this video is for all of you who really want to get started with something or the other from the comfort of your home and start building your own income stream for getting financially independent and financially stable also in the future. In this video, I'm going to share with you 8 side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your home, which do not require absolutely any investment and which you can get started with right away. So stay put with me right till the end of the video. And before we go ahead, you know the drill. Click on the subscribe button so that you can get access to all my videos right up front. Hi everyone, I'm Swati Arora. I'm a woman career growth coach and I help working professionals grow up the ladder and increase in their own potential and become a better version of themselves. And today in this video, I'm talking about side hustles which can empower homemakers, housewives, and stay-at-home moms as well, and they can get into earning an income source for themselves as well. So let's get started into the topic. As a homemaker, the first thing and the most easiest thing that you can get started for your own side hustle is get into freelance job. Okay, as a freelancer, you can do multiple things. If you're good at writing, you can become a creative writer or a content writer or a blog writer or join some company which requires writers as well. Okay, the second thing that you can do is you can become a virtual assistant. You can go for virtual assistancy from the comfort of your home. And there are multiple companies, multiple platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Indeed, Internshala that offer a lot of freelance jobs as well. If you're good in graphic designing, software development, or even good in digital marketing or social media marketing, you can launch yourself as a freelancer immediately, right away, and get started from the comfort of your home. All you need for a freelance job is a basic laptop and a good Wi-Fi connection, because most of these jobs just require that much. From the comfort of your home, you can get started right away. So get done with it. The next one is you can get into online teaching or tutoring. If you're good in some particular subject, it may not be a subject for children. If you're good in a particular niche, maybe you're good in communication skills, personality development, or even yoga, or maybe anything which you can teach someone through an online mode, that's the best form of work from home option right now. And that's the fastest growing industry as well. I had already mentioned that in my earlier video. One of the fastest growing industries in the world is education industry, and we can actually capitalize with that. Again, all you need to have is a computer, a good Wi-Fi connection, and if you're taking an online class, maybe a web camera. That's it. I have known women who have done massive income, who have achieved massive income from the comfort of their home, doing only this, which is online tutoring and online teaching. And you can start from anything at all. You can do creative writing teaching, you can do blog writing teaching, you can teach children any of the subjects like English, math, grammar, language, or maybe history, geography, whatever. Or you could also train adults, working professionals, teenagers on life sciences, on basic personality development, on corporate skills, or any other skill that you're good at. So if you have anything that you can teach people, and if you have a little knack of teaching, training, please go ahead and launch yourself as an online tutor or an online trainer. The next one is handmade crafts. If you have the knack of handmade crafting or designing something or artwork, that's the best thing that you can do. You can put your passion to work and also get monetized out of it, also get income out of it. There are a lot of platforms. In fact, you can start with your own social media platform like Instagram and Facebook. I see a lot of people doing that, selling DIY products which are made from the comfort of their home, selling it online on their platform. Or you could have platforms like Etsy as well, ETSY, which actually refurbishes or rather sells such homemade handicraft products as well. So if you have a knack of creating something from the scratch, making wonderful artifacts, go ahead and sell that online and you can get money from that as well. The next one is cooking or baking from home. If you're good in the kitchen and you're good at your craft, if you love doing what you're doing, if you love preparing good food or baking good cakes and you're good at it, then you can start, a little bit of catering services or maybe some kind of, meal prep services for the neighborhood, for friends, for colleagues. In fact, there are a lot of dabba wala options as well. You can prepare the meal at your home, and homemade food, the dabbawalas, the local dabbawalas, you can hire them. You can hire a Denzo service or a dabbawala service, and they can provide homemade food to corporate professionals. That's a very, very sellable, high ticket item as well. A lot of people are making good money in that, because a lot of people who are especially not from the city, who are traveling from outside the city, they prefer to have homemade, authentic, hygienic food. And if you're good at that, why not? That there's a demand, you just need to supply for the demand, and you can make money on that. Virtual assistants is also a very upcoming role these days. A lot of people, a lot of coaches, mentors, even small medium enterprises need freelancers and virtual assistants to provide administrative services, logistical services, maybe email, sending out emails, or campaigning, calling out for their customers, or even customer service support. So all that can be done from the comfort of your home. You can provide all those services, and all you need again is just a laptop, a good Wi-Fi connection, and maybe a mobile connection. That's it. That's all you need to become a virtual assistant. And yes, obviously a good knack for speaking, some organizational skills, and you can get started with the virtual assistant's role as well. If you're inclined towards music and dance and you know how to do it, if you are good at some form of music or some dance form, you've learned it and you love to teach that, you don't have an infrastructure, no problem. You can get it started virtually as well. That's again a very, very, asked for kind of a program. A lot of people want to do that. A lot of people want to enroll on yoga classes, dance classes, Zumba classes, and these are all online. So if you're good at any of these, or any of these dance forms or musical forms, you can get started with your virtual music lessons, virtual music and dance classes right now from the comfort of your home. Just prepare a small brochure, maybe a flyer, and send it out to all your contacts, and you can get started right from tomorrow morning as well. All you need is a laptop, a Wi-Fi connection, and maybe a Zoom connection. That's all. If you have the knack of selling and promoting products, you can get into virtual e-commerce as well. You can venture out into e-commerce or drop shipping model as well. You can tie up with Amazon, Shopify, Flipkart, and many other such e-commerce companies, eBay. You can tie up with any one of them and just become a franchisee for them. All you need to do is pick up their products which are resonating to you, which you want to sell, which you want to promote, and pick them up and put them up in your social media. Promote them with your own unique coupon code, which the company will give you. The more items you sell, the more commission you get. And that's how your dropshipping model works. You don't need to worry about the inventory. You don't need to worry about shipping the products to the customers. You don't need to worry about the quality of the product, or also about the delivery timeline of the product. All you need to do is just get the customer to the product, sell the product, and that's it. You get your commission for that. All right, friends, so that was from my side. I have shared with you about 7 to 8 hustles, side hustles that can get you started from the comfort of your home and get you into making money for your own self, generating your own income stream for your own self to become financially independent and future ready as well. Go ahead and step into that without giving it a single thought. Go ahead and let me know how did you find those views. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your views. Bye bye.